This is my presentation on the need to reevaluate the Florida ban on texting and driving law. For you to even be pulled over for texting and driving is a secondary offense. So first you have to be pulled over for running a red light or speeding. And if you are fined for it, it's $30 for the first time and $60 for the second time. In 2015 alone, there was 45,000 crashes and 214 deaths. The Florida ban on texting while driving isn't taken seriously by teenagers. There was a survey done by two high schools known as Gadsden High and Glencoe High. One of the students stated, "It is sometimes quite necessary and helpful." Another student from Gadsden High said, "I think it's your own personal decision, so if you feel you can multitask, you should be able to." And then the last student from Glencoe High said, "Police should be more worried about drinking and driving than texting and driving." My personal opinion on this is that it's kind of disturbing how they don't realize that the life stake they could take while they do text and drive. Certain facts need to be taken into consideration when making texting and driving laws. 2.5 million people in the U.S. are involved in road accidents each year. Of these, 1.6 million have a cell phone involved in them. That is 64% of the road accidents in the U.S. Over 1,600 children in the same age group are killed each year because of crashes involving texters. Every year, about 421,000 people are injured in crashes that have involved a driver who was distracted in some way. That's almost 500,000 people. These facts alone justify why the Florida ban on texting and driving law needs to be reevaluated. When the law was originally put into place, it was put in place to prevent car crashes, injuries, fatalities, and healthcare costs. However, the percent of injuries and fatalities has increased every year since. How many people have to die before the Florida ban on texting and driving law changes? Florida ban on texting while driving law is not effective due to being a secondary traffic violation and a mere $30 to $60 fine. People don't take this law serious, including the lawmakers. If it doesn't change, I could be the next fatality. It could also be you.